What's up guys, and the mystery is finally solved. Surprise surprise, the actual Galaxy S22 Ultra design, the final design, is here. It's neither the P-shaped camera or that 11-shaped camera, it's this. We bring you the all-new water drop camera design. I gotta say, this design looks absolutely beautiful, much better than anything we have seen previously. It does look like the Galaxy A32's design, which is a mid-range phone that Samsung released in the beginning of this year. There's something really classy about having the individually separated camera lenses without their own camera pattern. It not only looks beautiful, but it also reduces the overall weight of the phone. Now looking at the camera lenses in detail close up, you can notice that they are all separated, matching the colors of the back with color coordinated rings around the lenses, which are adding that premium touch. The camera lenses remain the same as last year's S21 Ultra, so we have the same positioning for the periscope zoom, as well as the main wide angle and the secondary zoom lenses. Now the lenses on the back are not completely flushed in compared to the Galaxy A32, obviously, because these are much bigger sensors, but without no dedicated camera pattern, so they are the part of the body, and that is what that creates this beautiful look. As I said earlier, this has reduced the weight of the phone, which Samsung has now allocated to the built-in, and I repeat, the built-in S Pen. So there we go, the true Galaxy S22 Ultra design is here. According to Voice Universe, it's 100% confirmed. Big shout out to Technizo and Let's Go Digital for making this presentation, and yeah, honestly, it looks really good. Again, the actual official press renders will look even better, so let me know what you think about this design in the comment section below. Now, as for the standard Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus design, it's going to be similar to what we have seen from On Leaks. In addition to that, we now have the screen protector of the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, which shows a thicker and a rounded edge design of the front display. It's kind of like a modern day Galaxy S2 shape. Now, with all the excitement comes one bad news. The S22 series won't have a micro SD card slot for storage expansion. Just like last year's S21 lineup, this legendary feature is not coming back. I will say for most people it won't be an issue because now we get 256 GB as the base storage or 128 in some markets, which I think is plenty enough, but still that legendary expandable storage option was a pretty good thing that Samsung phone had. It offered up to 1 TB of extra storage, but now if you want more storage you have to buy that expensive 512 GB model. Now last but not the least, there will be another ultra flagship product coming before the S22 series. Yes, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is real. It's going to be the most out of mind crazy spec ultra Android tablet. Ice Universe today posted this, basically the front design of this big tablet. It's going to have slim bezels, but at the same time it will also have a notch. This notch has dual cameras which will allow for high quality selfies and more importantly high quality 4K videos. As for the chipset, it's rumored that this tablet will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 898, which is the flagship chip from Qualcomm coming next year, not the Samsung AMD Exynos. Maybe Samsung wants to keep the Exynos AMD exclusive to the S22 series before we see it on other products. We'll see more details in the coming days, but let me know what you think about all that we talked about in this video, especially the new and improved design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's looking amazing, it's looking beautiful in my opinion, but I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know everything in the comments below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.